Okay, let's talk about your launch party for a second. Your launch party, like I said, is probably one of the most crucial things that you can do for your business to start your business off right. Do that quickly, schedule that quickly, at least in your first 2 weeks, so that way you have a good chance of earning Shooting Star and even hit your very first promotion, certified. It's a big deal. You don't need a lot of items to have your home launch party. You simply need what's in your kit. You need your testers and you need your catalogs. That is it. Have a few snacks. Very, very, very light. You don't have to do a whole lot. You don't have to cook up a storm. You don't need any of that. And invite your closest friends, invite your closest family, invite people that you're close to that are going to support your business. Invite them to your scheduled home party. You can do a combination too. Open that online link so that people out of town can order from that link. Carry that to work. Carry those testers and those catalogs to work. I call it a bag party. Throw it in a bag, take it to work with some order forms. Your kit should have came with some order forms. If they did not, you can look on the workstation in the search bar, type in order forms. You can print your very own order forms. Take those to work with you. Share that. You can do a combination of everything for your launch party to set you up for success. I really like to open up my home launch party with a fun game. You can find so many games on YouTube, in your workstation. If you in the search bar type in parties, home party games, a ton will pop up. Play a fun game. Make this fun. You should not put pressure on yourself. You don't have to be perfect. You don't have to give this long drawn out presentation. They simply need to sniff the testers and see the catalogs. That is it. It is that simple. But your goal for your launch party is to schedule some parties to continue the momentum. What does that mean? That means asking some of your guests, do they want to get some free and half off stuff? It's that simple. Do they want to get free and half off? Ask two or three of your closest friends or family members if they would like to take a bag to work with them, or if they would like to have their own home party where you can come and show them all of this stuff. Remember, you don't need a whole bunch of product at all. As you close parties for yourself, when you close your first launch party, you get that free and half off stuff that you can spend however you want. And you can invest back into your business with items that you want for future parties, items that you want to make samples of. You do not have to invest a ton into this business. That's the glorious thing about Scentsy, is everything that comes in your kit is really and truly all that you need. You don't need to keep products on hand. You don't need to keep up with stock. You don't need any of that. Those testers and those catalogs are your babies. They are your employees. They're going to do the work for you. Set up that launch party, have some chips, maybe some cookies, maybe a drink. That's it. And have fun. Relax and have fun. And ask some of those guests, do they want free and half off Scentsy themselves? That's how you will continue to grow your customer base. The more parties that you have, the more guests, the more people you're going to meet. Those are going to become customers. We'll talk about customer care in a few videos later, but you'll take care of those people. They'll become your customers. They'll refer you. They will party with you. That's how you will continue to get PRV, personal retail volume, month after month. That's how you will grow your business month after month. Parties are the heart and soul of this business. The heart and soul. Ask your coworkers, do they want free and half off Scentsy? It is truly that simple. Schedule that home launch party. Let your sponsor know when your home launch party is. Get that scheduled. Take those bad boys to work with you. When your kit arrives, go live on Facebook showing that kit. Show how excited you are. Show those products that came in that kit and get excited. People are going to vibe off of your vibe. If you're excited, they're excited. Get that home launch party scheduled. Google some fun games, YouTube some super fun games to start with at your home launch party, and schedule those parties to keep the momentum going. You got this, girl.